Hey everyone, this is a video about how to convert a fraction into an equivalent decimal. Okay, so come over here and grab a pen or a marker first for your Jamboard. Okay, and the rule is what you do is you always put the numerator, okay, and you take the numerator and you divide it by the denominator. Okay, so notice I color coordinated it for you. Okay, so we have a 4 in the numerator, so I'm going to write a 4 in this box. Okay, and the denominator is a 5. I'm going to put a 5 out here. So we need to divide 4 by 5, right? Because that's what 4/5 really means, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a 0 on the end, so it's 4.0, okay? So now we got to say, all right, when we do long division, can 5 go into 4? And the answer is no. All right, we're going to bring the decimal straight up like we always do, okay? But then we're going to say, does 5 go into 40? And yes, it does, exactly 8 times. And 5 times 8 gives us 40. And notice that when I subtract, we have no remainder, right? So that means we're done, okay? So our equivalent decimal is 8/10. So 0.8.